So, following address yakaitwa na Blessed Geza yesterday, he has said he wants to clarify something and why he is hiding. So, he actually wrote the message today. So, Blessed Geza said, "Let me clarify this. Some might be wondering why I'm hiding. Well, you know for a fact that Emerson is hunting me and he's prepared to kill me anytime. So, for the meantime, I chose to stay away from public eye so that we plan our things to the end. Very soon I will show up after our plans succeed." So this is what Blessed Geza has said. And some people were commenting that Mnangagwa was the first person to abscond Zimbabwe when he was fired by Bob because he knew his life was in danger. Saka, why should it be a surprise if anyone opposing the president to do so is in hiding? Comrade Blessed Geza, we wait patiently. Why do you want to clarify this with the ghost account? By then, this is not a ghost. I don't know if it's a ghost account, guys, because the account is the verified account, and I'm thinking this is the correct account of Blessed Geza, because apparently there are a lot of pseudonym accounts on X that are bearing the name Blessed Geza, and I'm thinking the one which is verified is the one that belongs to Comrade Blessed Geza, and this is the one where he's saying that he is into hiding because President Mnangagwa is prepared to kill him anytime.